In this tutorial, we're going to go through the features of BitBeater. At the main menu, click on Pro Package, and you'll notice that there are a set of tabs across the top and also a set of tabs across the middle. This is the customer and deal screen that we're at right now. Any financial transaction occurs at this page. Let's take a look at the middle tabs. In the customer tab, you can edit or add customers and do a variety of other things. Credit applications, scan documents. You can scan up to 20 different documents, driver's license, birth certificates, whatever you need. Let's close that. Payments and Account Data tab is where you add payments, generate receipts, and track the customer's history. The Purchase Orders and Loans tab is where you add and edit vehicle purchase orders, trailer purchase orders, general purchase orders, which are for batteries, mats, miscellaneous items. You can also create and edit loans and print loan documents. The third tab is Forms 1. It has a variety of forms that you may need. Forms 2 is the same thing, and repossession forms. We also have a Blank Forms tab and a Repair Shop, where you can add repairs for existing customers or customers off the street. The last tab is Leases and Rentals, where you can generate lease and rental agreements. The next tab on the top is the Inventory tab. This is where you maintain your inventory. You have a Vehicle Locator button. This will bring up the Vehicle Locator screen. You can filter vehicles. Let's look at Fords. And you can sort them by the different headings. To pick a vehicle, double-click on it. The next tab over is the Search Purchase Orders tab. This allows you to scan purchase orders. Once you have a bunch of them, it'll fill this column. And you can scroll up and down and look at them. It's another way of accessing them. The Prospects tab allows you to track potential customers that come in and ask for a vehicle that you may not have. You can track their name up in here. You can track the vehicle they're looking for. And when you go to the auction, you can print a prospect auction list, which will tell you what kind of vehicles these people are interested in. The Reports tab is for reports. There are a number of tabs across the top of the Reports page. Payments and receivables, inventory reports, sales reports, financial, bad accounts, and credits. The last tab is for outside lenders. Here you can add investors that are buying your loans. There are also a couple of export features on the bottom where you can export basic loan parameters or detailed loan parameters. These reports will allow the lender to evaluate the loans that you have and whether or not they want to buy them. Let's go back to the main menu. You'll notice that across the top of the menu, we also have Customers and Deals with less options than in the Pro package, the Inventory screen. If we click on Setup and then click on Manufacturers, we can change the manufacturers that are listed in the drop-down boxes. You can add them, change them, delete them. Let's go back to the main menu. You'll also notice that you can do this with body style, categories. Automated fees allow you to preset fees for the purchase order. In the Pro package, if you have values in these fees, they will be automatically loaded into the purchase order for you. Let's go back to the main menu. If we click on Setup, we can also go to Salesman Setup. This will allow you to track your salesman and their commission or flat rate. Let's go back to the main menu. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions at all, give us a call.